Hello everyone. Today we're going to study the unit number 3. The topic of today is home and family. And this is a family. So first we have family tree. What is family tree? Family tree is a group of people that are members of a family. Members is equal to people, person of a group. Okay, so here we have Dana's family tree. This is Dana, and those are the different members of her family tree. So let's read the article about Dana's family tree, which it says, I am Dana and this is my family. I have got a little brother. His name is Dylan. I have got his possession. Okay, is the famous possession. So I have got a little brother. His name is Dylan. Okay, Dylan is Dana's brother. My mother is called Daniela and my father is Ramiro. Okay, Daniela is Dana's mother, Dana's mommy, and Ramiro is Dana's father, Dana's dad. Okay, father and mother are parents. So, my parents are the best. Father and mother are parents, plural. Okay? Carlos and Mary are my grandparents. Carlos and Mary are Dana's grandparents. Okay? My grandmother is special. Mary is Dana's grandmother. And her husband, my grandfather, is nice. Carlos is Dana's grandfather. Lucas is my uncle. Lucas is my uncle, and his wife is my aunt Eva. Okay, uncle, aunt. Dana's uncle, Dana's aunt. I am their only niece, and my brother Dylan is their only nephew. Okay, this is sobrina and sobrino. Okay, niece is for girl and nephew is for boys. They, Eva and Lucas, they have two children, two babies, my cousins Emma and Nick. Okay, so two children, children is plural, Emma and Nick. So Emma is Dana's cousin, Nick is Dana's cousin. Here we have a couple, a married couple. Here we have she, the woman is wife, and the man is husband. Okay, let's ask some questions using members family, the members of a family tree. Here we have some examples. First, this first photo, we have father and mother. So, to ask a question, this is a question, we can say, what is your father's name? And the answer you respond is My father's name is Carlos. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Rachel. Okay, so you can see here, parents. You can say, what is your parents' name? Parents, you can see that is mother plus father. Okay, then we have, what is your grandmother's name? She is a grandmother. My grandma's or my grandmother's name is Elvira. What is your grandfather's name? This is a grandfather. My grandfather's or my grandpa's name is Alberto. Okay, so what are grandparents? Grandparents are equal, similar to grandmother plus grandfather. So to pronounce grandpas and grandmas, we say grandparents. Grandparents. So now we're going to study a little bit about grammar. In the grammar part, we have possessive with apostrophe S. Apostrophe and the letter S. We have possessive pronoun and we have determiners. First, we have possessive with apostrophe S. When do we use possessive with S? We use possessive with apostrophe S to indicate possession. Possession is similar in Spanish. It's the same in Spanish. Posesión. Let's see here. This is Mary's cell phone. This is Mary's cell phone. It's equal, is the same as this is the cell phone of Mary. The same meaning, igual significado. So let's see the form. We add is addition. We add the apostrophe. Apostrophe is the famous puso in Guarani. In Spanish is apostrophe. So we add apostrophe S to indicate possession. For example, this is Monica's cell phone, okay? So Monica's cell phone is not plural, okay? Is possession. This is Monica's cell phone is the same to this is the cell phone of Monica. Okay? Then we have more than one name. More than one name is two names, three names, four names, etc. in plural. We have more than one name. We add the apostrophe S at the last name. For example, this is Emma and Peter's book. Okay, we have one name, two names, so we add here. Okay, add the last name, apostrophe S. You can see this is Emma's and Peter's book is incorrect. Okay, here is not necessary the apostrophe S, only here. Okay, then if we have plural with the letter S, we add only the apostrophe. You can see here, this is my parents' car. Okay, parents, remember parents is plural, mommy and daddy. Okay, So parents, we add only the apostrophe. You can see here, this is my parents' car. This is incorrect. Secondly, we have possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun we use to not repeat the noun. Noun is substantive, okay? So repeat is the same in Spanish. Not repeat the substantive. For example, my name is Luke and hers is Helen. So you can see that hers is the possessive pronoun. Okay, the noun in this case is name. To not repeat, my name is Luke and her name is Helen, we say, and hers is Helen. Okay, so let's see the examples in the. Let's analyze this table. Here we have column number 1, personal pronoun. Column number 2, possessive adjective. And column number 3, we have possessive pronoun. The personal pronouns are I, that is the first person, primera persona. You is the second person. He is third person singular, tercera persona del singular. So, he is for boys or for men. She is third person singular, but for woman or for girl. We is plural, the famous nosotros. When you are in the conversation, you is plural, third person, but plural when you are not in the conversation. And they is third person plural and you are not the conversation. Okay, you, third person, is the famous ustedes and they means ellos. Okay, so those are the personal pronoun and we use with possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. For example, this is my book is the same, it's equal to this book is mine. Okay? In parenthesis, a short translation. Este es mi libro, me is mine, and mine is mío. Okay, so we say mine to not repeat the substantive, the noun. Okay, the book is the substantive or the noun. Okay, so this is mine is equal, is the same as this book is mine. Okay, then we have for you, this is your book, and the possessive, this is yours. We add the letter S, but not with apostrophe. Okay? For he, for man, we say, this is his book, this is his. Okay? We don't include book, okay? Because we use to not repetition, okay? She is for woman. This is her book. This is hers. Okay? Her, hers. His. No changes. Then we have we. This is our book. Okay? This is ours. You. This is your book. This is yours. And the last day, this is their book, this is theirs. Okay, so from here that are in color blue light, we have plurals, okay? Finally, we have determiners. We use determiners to introduce people, things, etc. For first, we have this and these. We use this and this for people, for person or objects which are close to the speaker. What is the speaker? The speaker is the person who speaks, who is in a conversation, who is talking. Okay? So this is the person, this is the object. Person, objects. Okay? So close is this, very close. Okay? So we use this with singular, like this is an apple, and we use this with plural. For example, these are my t-shirts. Then we have that and those. We use that and those for people or objects which are in a distance to the speaker. So this is the speaker, the person who speaks, and this is the object. Here is a distance. Okay? So here you can see person, the speaker, distance, distance, and objects. Okay, so we use that with singular. For example, that is my t-shirt. And we use those with plural. Plural, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. Okay, so those are my t-shirt.